A number of Jews converted to Islam, so they came to the Prophet.
Moses made a will to Joshua bin Nun. Who is your guardian, O Messenger of God, and who is our guardian after you?
This ayat of the Holy Quran is revealed in answer to your question.
Your guardian is only Allah and His Messenger, and those who believe who establish prayer and pay zakat while they bow.
We have never heard of someone giving charity while kneeling.
But who is this guardian who pays zakat while kneeling?
Come with me to the mosque to see this man.
So they got up and came to the mosque, and suddenly a beggar came out of the mosque.
Beggar, did no one give you anything?
Yes, this ring.
Who gave you the ring?
It was given to me by the man who was praying.
When did he give you the ring?
When he was kneeling during the prayers, he extended his finger to me, and I took the ring from him.
So the Prophet glorified Allah, and the people of the mosque said, Allah is great.
Ali is your guardian after me.
We are satisfied with God as our Lord, with Muhammad as our prophet, and with Ali bin Abi Talib as our guardian.
The following verse revealed, and whoever turns to Allah and His Messenger, and those who believe, then indeed the party of Allah will be victorious. Their poet Hassan bin Thabit said these verses spontaneously.
He completed the prayer with the zakat, and he performed it, and Allah has mercy on His patient servant. Whoever wears his ring gives alms while bowing and keeps its secrets within himself.